Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to set auto delete YouTube search history step-by-step guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and then go to Google, just like so. The next thing you need to do is to click on your Google account name, then proceed to Google account. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and look for search Google account. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and then go to YouTube history, data and privacy. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and go to auto delete right here. Choose an auto delete options. It take you right here. At this point here, you have to make sure you click on here. So you can decide to auto delete your search or watch history on YouTube from 3 months ago, 18 months ago, or 36 months ago. Now, anyone you choose right here, you can, once you select on it, then make sure you click on next right here. Google is going to ask you, confirm your preference to auto delete activity older than 18 months. You have no activities older than 18 months, so no activity will be deleted now. So next thing you need to do is to simply click on confirm right here. And once you click on confirm, all your old activities, search history, watch history is going to be deleted completely from your YouTube account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to set auto delete on your YouTube search history. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.